Hi everyone. Yeah, actually I took my wife to Kyle Dental Clinic 4 5 years ago for root canalling and implanting. We did this one in Singapore many years ago, but that one was not so good. So we came here and then we did implanting and root canalling for the entire lower jaw. And even after 4 years, she's very much comfortable. She don't have any problem in eating or taking food or even biting the hard stuff. So it is really a permanent solution they have given at an affordable price. And really, this clinic has done a good job. And I wish them that they continue the excellent service. And I strongly recommend people having this teeth problem to visit this dental clinic, which has had a very high standard of hygienic and good ambience, and very experienced Dr. Sahana was doing an excellent job, and she is very passionate in explaining all options, and she did the best treatment that to my wife, and she is extremely happy with that treatment.